but it's
You don't wanna be
fine.
host
You
poor.
got the right mindset at 17.
Yeah.
From the UK, early 20s, love the show. This is from Chief. I'm increasing my earnings and my credit while watching the episodes. You think it's wise to open another line of credit and spend while paying off in full, or continue with the ones I have and improve my credit history? That's going to be actually step one here, so stay tuned because that's a good question. Anything else?
Yeah, right here.
Bills?
Wiring.
And then Wyron goes, continue the good work, Myron. Don't address the copycats anymore. They need validation. The only way they can attack you is through your weakest link, Walter. Ignore them. You are great. Let Walter scrap for himself. Not built for on-screen work. Okay, man. You guys could say whatever you guys want to say, but yes, I mean, it is what it is. It's amazing how people ask us for our take. We give our take, and then they get mad and lose their minds. This guy Mo is a change chugger, a coin machine, a pucker lip, penny licker. I bet he also eats strawberry jam right out the jar with a spoon. With his fat ass. All FNF, all of FNF, all the congrats on the pounds, Mo. Good stuff, man. That was the most backhanded compliment I've seen in a while.
For real.
Can we get some bare minimum numbers needed to own a first property? Minimum monthly income, minimum credit, debit to earnings ratio, down payments, reserves for buying anywhere in real estate. Keep staying.
We got you guys.